Lesson 9, Stop Signs. Now what do you do when you encounter a stop sign? You stop. What could be simpler than that? The only reason this lesson is here is because people often fail their driving test for getting this one wrong. Strange, but true. Have a look at this. The blue car pulls up to the intersection. There are no cars in sight. The car slows down and then moves through. This is wrong. It's called a roll-through, and if your testing officer feels that your wheels did not come to a complete stop, your test can be terminated. See that? Come to a complete halt before proceeding. You can't get much clearer than that. Now here's a question you might be asking yourself. What if your vision is blocked from parked cars at the stop sign? Can you move forward over the lines to attain the vision you need? The answer is yes. But make sure you come to a complete stop behind the lines first before you move forward to attain the vision.